guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be gardening. It's March and it's just the beginning of the gardening season, at least for me. And I don't have a real garden, but I have a balcony or patio as I call it sometimes, and I do have a real garden there. So during winter, I leave some plants in planters outside and they are dormant, but some of the plants are just staying in my kitchen. So, for example, this um, like tower, initially it's supposed to be strawberry tower, but you can actually grow many other things in it as long as it's enough for the roots. So I grow my herbs in this tower. I use herbs in cooking quite a lot, so I'm updating. Time is one of my favorites. I'm updating the tower. So the tricky part with the tower is that some of the plants will be kind of on the side of shadow, but I've watched one of the like professional gardeners videos and sourced a very good hack, like useful idea. I put this tower on a little like dolly with wheels, and I do turn it clockwise once a week or maybe a little more often than that, so all my plants have enough of sunlight. So that's it for now. There are more pockets to fill, and this tall basil is a basil from last year. I will probably just cook it. So yes, I still have Christmas garland on my balcony in March, so I'm taking that off. And now it's time for pruning. This is the blueberry bush that I hope will produce this year. So I'm cutting off the old branches and damaged branches. It came back on after winter, just needs a little bit of zhuzh. When I leave plants for winter on my balcony, I mulch them with dry leaves to protect them from freezing. Even though our winters are not that cold, but just in case, and it works. Everything comes back on. The puppies are enjoying being on the balcony with me. I just hope they don't pee on anything. Blueberries like acidic soil, so as they are in a pot and the soil loses its properties needed for blueberries, I'm adding sulfur once a year. So this is a planter with sweet peas. They like cold weather, so they're one of the first ones I plant. I feel like the squirrels probably are digging them out, and I don't know if they eat them or if they wanna um, hide something in the soil. So I will have to figure that out so they don't damage my sweet peas. These are a couple of my garlic plants, and one is out for some reason. Maybe also was dug out. So let's plant it back in. And my raspberry plant has a couple of dry branches that I will prune. This is my fig tree that I purchased last year. So technically I'm supposed to cut about 1/3 of the main stem, and it does have a little side stem that I will also shorten. And the planter with strawberries need to be cleared out of mulch, and I want to see which of those strawberry plants are still good. And we'll be adding some plant food, of course, and this is just chicken manure. And yes, I'm okay like holding it with my hand. I wash my hands afterwards. This is the best food for most of the veggies and fruit plants. It's organic and works well. And this is alpine strawberry, yellow alpine strawberry that I bought many years ago and never took out of its little like planter. So the roots are going from this little planter to the big one. So I feel like it's time to just cut it off and let it sit in the big planter. I'm hoping to propagate it because I'm not sure that all of my I have two or three of them. I had two or three of them. I don't think they survived this winter, so I would like to propagate this one because it's very sweet. I really love it, and I love the look of it when it has its light kind of yellowish berries. So see what happens. I'm using this metal cloche to cover at least part of my sweet peas. Couldn't find anything rectangular of the size I need. I have a whole stash of extra pots here. See if I use up all of them. The raspberry bush is back. So several weeks have passed. These are my sweet peas. You can actually eat the leaves already. I added this thingy, I forget the name of it, to scare away the squirrels. And this is my blueberry bush, feeling well also. And look, I'm thinking I will have some first berries this year. The alpine strawberry feels good without the extra pot. This is fine. This came back. This one didn't. This is another alpine strawberry, so I will have to propagate the first one. The raspberry bush is feeling good, has a lot of leaves. I also purchased a blackberry bush. They need similar soil conditions, so I will just plant that one also. And this is garlic. Looks almost like succession planting situation. So the pruning went well. The main stem has several little branches now, which is awesome. That's what I wanted. And the side stem that I left has so many leaves now, and looks like it feels well. Looks good. I'm excited. I'm excited. And I also wanted to share the views of beautiful blooms that we had end of March, beginning of April. Cherry trees, including sakuras that were actually given to DC by Japan many years ago, and all other fruit trees and just trees that flower. It was awesome, and yeah, enjoy.